Hello, dear students. Today I am going to discuss Unit First, Name Reactions with Mechanism. Before going to start this unit, I want to discuss some basic points related to reaction mechanism. In previous year, we have studied some reaction intermediates such as free radicals, carbocation, carbanion, carbenes, etc. How these intermediates are formed during the course of reaction. For example, how free radicals are formed, how carbocation and carbanion are formed. Free radicals are formed by the homolytic bond fission, and carbocation and carbanion are formed by heterolytic bond fission. Means, depending upon the type of bond fission, these kind of intermediates are formed. Suppose how free radicals are formed. Suppose this is H2 molecule. This sigma bond is broken down homolytically to give 2H free radicals. Means bonding pair is symmetrically broken down. This bonding pair is symmetrically broken down to give 2 free radicals. In case of carbocation and carbanion, carbocation is a positively charged carbon and carbanion is a negatively charged. When the bond between carbon and heteroatom, suppose heteroatom, this heteroatom X may be more electronegative than carbon. It may be nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, etc. Then this bond is broken down heterolytically, heterolytic bond fission. Heterolytic bond fission. Here it is homolytic bond fission. In this case, carbon is less electronegative than heteroatom X. It may be nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, bromine, whatever. The bond is broken down from carbon side towards the heteroatom to give carbon as a positive charge. Here, this carbon gets positively charged and X becomes negatively charged. This species is called as carbocation. In case of second case, how carbanion is formed. Suppose here Ca, carbon and bond between this atom A. This atom A is less electronegative than carbon. Then in such case, upon heterolytic bond fission, this bond is broken down unsymmetrically. Towards the carbon, this bonding pair is broken and carbon acquires the bonding pair, so it becomes negatively charged, C minus, here C positive. This species is called as carbanion. plus this A atom or group, whatever, it becomes positive. In this way, the intermediates are formed during the reaction course. Okay. In named reaction, what are the named reactions? Named reactions are named after his discoverer, who discovered this reaction, or depending upon the product of the reaction. The name is given to that reaction after his discoverer or the product of that reaction. Suppose in case of, we will discuss one by one name reactions. Suppose now we discuss the name reaction benzyne condensation. The name benzyne condensation. Benzyne condensation. This name is related with either its discoverer or its product name. In case of benzyne, benzyne is the product of that reaction. Okay. In this case, as we know, in this chapter, we are going to discuss all the name reactions related with the aromatic aldehydes or ketones. In benzyne condensation, this reaction is related with the aromatic aldehyde or ketone. When two molecules of benzaldehyde undergoes self-condensation in the presence of an aqueous alcoholic solution of KCl or NaCl, it gives a alpha hydroxy ketone. That alpha hydroxy ketone is known as benzyne. Let us discuss the general reaction. When two molecules of benzaldehyde, let's have two molecules of benzaldehyde. Why? It is a self-condensation reaction. Two molecules of benzaldehyde, CH double bond O. This is benzaldehyde, undergoes self-condensation in the presence of KCl or NaCl. KCl alcoholic, aqueous alcoholic KCl, CH5OH. To give the product of this reaction is alpha hydroxy ketone, this is COH, CH, C double bond O, C double bond. Here two molecules of benzaldehyde in the presence of aqueous alcoholic KCl gives alpha hydroxy. Here ketone group numbering. From this carbon is alpha. Alpha, at alpha position there is a hydroxy group OH. Alpha hydroxy ketone, this alpha hydroxy ketone. This product is called as benzyne. Okay, this is the general reaction. Now come to the mechanism point. How this reaction proceeds? What is the mechanism for this reaction? We will see the mechanism. The mechanism part. There are various steps in the mechanism. The first step in the mechanism, first step is what? Now, how reaction started. In this case, cyanide ion from KCl being the nucleophile or being the base, it abstracts or attacks being the base or nucleophile. Here in case of benzyne condensation, Cn minus acts as an initiator and acts as a nucleophile which attacks on the one of the benzaldehyde molecule, C double bond O, benzaldehyde, cyanide Cn minus. This Cn minus from KCl gives the nucleophilic attack on this carbonyl carbon. As we know, this carbonyl group is electrophilic center. Carbonyl carbon is electrophilic. Why? Oxygen more electronegative. The pi bond gets shifted toward the oxygen. Hence, carbon becomes partial positive charge. Hence, electrophilic. It attracts the nucleophile. So, Cn minus gives the nucleophilic attack on this carbonyl carbon to give the corresponding carbanion as SCHO minus. Here Cn. Bond is formed between this carbon and Cn. Now proton, this gets shifted and gives the carbanion. You may write like this. Here OH, now write Cn, we write cyanide Cn. Here negative charge. How it is? This bond gets shifted here and proton is shifted to this negatively charged oxygen to give a corresponding carbanion. Carbanion. Note down carbanion. It is a negatively charged carbon species. Carbanion. Now, in first step, formation of carbanion. Second step starts with the nucleophilic attack of this carbanion. How? This carbanion now gives nucleophilic attack. Second step. This is the second molecule of benzaldehyde. First molecule of benzaldehyde in first step forms the carbanion. Can write here C double bond O H plus this carbanion. C minus Cn here OH. Again same attack, nucleophilic attack of this carbanion. The bond is formed between these two carbons. CO minus. Now CO minus. Bond is formed between these two carbons. C here OH and here Cn. The bond is formed between this carbon and this carbon. Now proton gets shifted from this oxygen to this. H plus shift. H plus shift to give product or intermediate. There C O H C H and bond C O minus this here Cn. This is suppose product A. Proton gets shifted from this oxygen to this oxide. Now this is negatively charged. This oxygen A becomes negatively charged. Now loss of this Cn minus. Cn minus acts as a catalyst. Now this Cn minus loses from A. The Cn minus loses from this product A. Likewise, this is OH C O minus Cn. Pi bond is generated, and this with the bonding pair leaves this carbon to give a final product. Give a final product alpha hydroxy CH double bond O. This is alpha hydroxy ketone called as benzyne. In this way, oxygen generates a double bond, and Cn minus loss of Cn minus from this carbon to give an alpha hydroxy ketone called as benzene. Thank you.